Hello and welcome to Short but Accurate by Provision-ISR. Today we are going to talk about some subjects regarding the playback on the application CAM2 app. First of all, in order to access the playback, the easiest way will be to just watch one or two or as many cameras as you want on the live view, and then simply go to the playback button. Now we are in the playback. Of course, we can scroll back and forth and see the recording that we want to see. As soon as we are changing the layout into 4, we're going to see the next 4 cameras and their playback. Of course, that whenever we change the time, we're going to see the change happens on all of the other cameras simultaneously. That will also happen if we are changing into a layout of 9 cameras or even 16. Now, let's see what we can do with the time bar. So first of all, we can stretch in order to have a clearer resolution, a bigger resolution of the time. Okay, we can get into a level of a minute. Okay, and whenever we scroll left or right, we're going to see the required hour. Now, if we're going to change and select a different camera on the top, then the layout, the time bar, the color is changing according to the recording type that exists on that camera. So that way we can see different colors for any other camera. If we want to know what does that color mean, what is the yellow, what is the blue, and what is the white, we can simply press on the recording type button. Over here we can see a legend that actually shows us each recording and the representative color. So if we, for example, want to filter only according to a specific recording, for example, sterile area, we are going to select only the sterile area. We press OK. Now we can see only the white colors, which represents the sterile area. So if we will take it back into the first recording in the morning, which exists at about 6:30 a.m., we're going to see a human being that is walking. Sterile area means that a human or a vehicle is entering into the sterile area. So no matter where I'm going to place the time bar, we are for sure going to see a human being that is walking or a vehicle. Let's take it to the beginning of that part and we're going to see a human being. Okay. Next, what we're going to see is something very simple, how to select a different time. So of course we have a quick access, which is right here, okay, to the dates and times. So we can select the 17th, which is yesterday, or the 16th, and we're going to be taken automatically into that time. Of course, we can open up the schedule itself, which is represented by the clock on the bottom right. Then we're going to get a schedule, so we can change into a different day and into a different time. As simple as that, we're getting a different recording. Now, what happens if we want to download a part? Okay, download the video. Then on the upper right corner of the screen, we can see the arrow. Press on that arrow, you're going to get a time bar, basically 2 lines that catch in the middle the part that you want to download. Of course, you can play with it. Okay, you can select the time that you want. You can even you can change, of course, the time on the calendar that you want. And as simple as that, you can just choose the part that you want to download, select start download, and the download starts in the background. We can see the percentage that is slowly increasing. Of course, this recording is going to be saved on your smartphone on MP4, so you can share it in no time into WhatsApp and any other platform. Thank you all for joining us for Short but Accurate Provision CAM, the playback part.